Good morning, student. Myself, Hansa, your maths teacher. Today we will start exercise 1.5 of class 9th chapter 1. Here is the question number 1. Classify the following rational and irrational. Rational, you know it very well, and irrational also you know very well. 2 is rational, and first point is A. 2 minus root 5. 2 is rational plus या minus. 5 is irrational. Means sum of rational and irrational, or the difference of rational and irrational is always equal to irrational. Is always irrational. If here plus, for example, 2 plus root 5 r plus I, it will always irrational. Move to second again, and you have to do yourself. The second part, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. If you will think this is irrational and this is irrational, we will think that it is irrational number, but it is not actually irrational. We have to open the bracket. What we will do? 3 plus root 23 and minus root 23. I think they will cancel. And the answer will be 3. And 3, I think it is a rational number. It is a rational. It is rational number. Is it clear? And now, this one, C part. 2 root 7. 2 root 7 upon में 7 root 7. 7 root 7. It is rational or irrational? Before saying rational or irrational, we have to check whether they will cancel or it can be reduced in simplest form. We have to check before answering the question. Here is 2 root 7 and 2 is multiplied to root 7. Here is 7 root 7, 7 multiplied to root 7, and this will be, we can write 2 into root 7, and here is 7 into root 7, and these root 7 will cut, or we can simplify cut at here. What is your answer? 2 upon 7, this is integer, it means it is in x p by q form, so therefore it is rational. It is rational. And after that, 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7. Here is root 7. Root 7. 1 is integer, but root 7, which is in denominator, root 7 is which one? Irrational number. So it means dividend या quotient of any rational or irrational will always give irrational number. It is always irrational number. 1 upon my root 7 is irrational number. Irrational number. And last one is E. 2 pi. 2 pi means 2 into pi, and pi is irrational. Why it is irrational? Generally we know that pi is equal to 22 by 7, but I already explained you 22 by 7. When we expand 22 by 7, its decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating. Therefore, it is irrational number. Pi is irrational number, and this is rational. So it means I multiply r multiply I is equal to irrational number. And now move to question number next. Now question number 2. Simplify each of the following expression. First part. 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. Open bracket. 3 bracket 2 plus root 2. This 3 is multiplied to whole. And what is this after? Plus root 3. And this will be multiplied 2 plus root 2. And now 3 multiplied 2. 3 multiplied 2, that will be 6 plus, here is root 2, here is 3. It means 3 never multiplied to root 2. Means it is not 6, it is not root 6 and root 8 anything. But we have to write what? 3 root 2 plus 2 into root 3. Root 3 into 2. We have to write same. 2 root 3 plus root 3 multiply root 2. Root 3 multiply root 2. This is 3 root 2. Here is 2 root 3. Both are not like term. If they are not like term, so addition is not possible. And what is left now? 6 plus, this will be same, plus here is root 3, here is root 2. No addition will take place. Write same, 2 root 3 plus here is root 3 into root 2. That will be root 3 into 2. Like I told you that root a into root b is equal to root a b. Here is a 3, b is 2, so root 6. What is your answer? 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 and plus root 6. This is the simplification of first part. And second part, 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. You know both are same. Root 3, root 3, 3 root 3. Here is plus, here is minus. We have to apply a plus b and a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And we will prove later on कि a plus b and a minus b equal to a square plus b square. All three identities which I explained in previous video, we will geometrically verify. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. What is a? 3 square minus, what is b? Root 3 square. Here is 3 square. 3 square means 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. And I already told 3, how many times we have to multiply? 2. 9 minus root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. And what I told you, it will make 3. Root 3 square is 3. And this is equal to 6. It means root 2 square, we can do 2. Root 5 square is equal to 5. Is it clear? And now note it down, we move to third part. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. We have to apply which identity? This identity we will prove also. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square. First you do square of this one, then square of this one, फिर plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus, here is plus, then we put plus 2ab, 2ab. What is a? What is a? Now answer it. What is a? Now you do solve yourself. You have to put the value. Now I think you have done. Root 5 whole square plus b root 2 whole square plus 2a. What is a? Root 5. What is b? Root 2. What is your answer now after this? Find the solution of this one after. What is the value of 5? Root 5 square. It is 5 plus root 2 square. It is 2 plus 2 root 5 into root 2. We will apply the same formula. You know, root 5 means root a into root b is equal to root ab. We have to apply this formula. So what is a? 5. What is b? 2. So what is your answer? 5 multiplied 2. And answer is 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 5 to the 10. And now it is your answer. And after this, sometimes student solve it. Some student add 7 plus 2. No. This 2 root 10 and this 7 both are unlike term. And unlike term never add to each other. It is okay. You never solve after this one. 7 plus 2 root 10. This 2 root 10 never add to 7. We never write 9 root 10. It is wrong. It is wrong. So it is your answer. And the fourth part, a plus b and a minus b. It is same as a plus b, a minus b. You try yourself and move to next question. Question number 5th and check it. Now question number 4, you do yourself from previous video. You have to do yourself from previous video and we will solve question number 5th. Rationalize. What is the meaning of rationalize? And generally, rationalize means to simplify any number by multiplying or dividing. Here we have to what? Rationalize the denominator. Means here we have given any denominator root a. Means what is the which number to be multiplied and divided to make this denominator as a rational number. And you know very well root 2. We can convert it into 2. Then we have to multiply it by which number? Root 2. Root 5. We have to make in 5. So which number we have to multiply? Root 5. It means by which number we have to multiply? Root a. The number which we have to multiply and divide to form in a simple rational number, that number or value is known as rationalizing factor. That number is known as the rationalizing factor. So it means first, what the rationalizing factor? If we have given 1 upon my root a, then by which number we have to multiply to remove the surd? Then which value, which number या value, which value या number or factor we have to multiply, to form a rational number is known as rationalizing factor. So which, then we say that by which number? That is known as rationalizing factor. Which is R, short form is RF, and by which number we have to multiply? Root A. And some example are there also. What is RF of the following? A part 1 upon root 5. What is the RF? RF is, this will be root 5. And B part, what is 2 minus root 3? Here is minus. 1 upon my root 6. Then RF is root 6. We have to multiply and divide. We have to multiply and divide by root 5 and root 6. And similarly for if, second part type, if like this, root a minus root b, then RF will be RF. We will change the sign. RF is a plus b, RF a plus root b. Third part, 1 upon में a plus root b. Then what is RF? Then RF means rationalizing factor. A here is plus, then we have to change the sign. A minus root b. And fourth, 1 upon में root a plus root b. Then RF is equal to a minus root a minus root b. If this is plus, if minus 1 upon में root a minus root b, then RF is equal to root a plus root b. RF rationalizing factor means by which number we have to multiply and divide to make it simplest form. 1 by root a, then RF is root a, means here is 1 upon my root 5, RF is root 5, 1 upon my root 6, RF is root 6, a 1 upon my a minus root b, RF is a plus root b, 1 upon my a plus root b, then RF is a minus root b, 1 upon my root a plus root b, RF is root a minus root b, 1 upon my root a minus root b, RF is root a plus root b. And taking this point in our mind, we will solve the given question first. Now tell me, is it clear? Note it down and then move to first question. First part, A, 1 upon में root 7, then what is RF? Tell me. What is RF? Root 7. So now what should I do? We have to multiply root 7 to numerator and root 7 to denominator. Means 1 upon my root 7, we have to multiply root 7 to numerator and root 7 to denominator. And 1 multiply root 7, it is root 7, and root 7 into root 7, I think you know very well. Root 7 into root 7 is 7. Simplify we can write. And the second part, B, 1 upon my root 7 minus 2. Then RF, what is RF? Now tell me, what is RF? Here is root A plus B. I already explained you. Check. RF, here is sign minus. We have to take root 7 plus 2. So what should I do? Multiply and divide. By which number? Root 7 plus 2 to numerator means 1 upon my, it is your question, root 7 minus 2 multiply root 7 plus 2 upon my root 7 plus 2. Please be careful in this type of question. In denominator always we apply the identities a plus b, a minus b. Please be keep it in mind. In denominator we always apply. In denominator we will apply which one? Identity a minus b and a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here is root 7 minus 2, root 7 plus 2. And 1 a, this will be same. Both are multiplied to each other. 1 into this one, root 7 plus 2. And then after this, what should I do now? Here is this one. Root 7 plus 2 upon में a minus b, a plus b, we have to apply this identity. Means root 7 square minus 2 square, root 7 plus 2 upon में root 7 square 7 minus root 2 square 4. Then root 7 plus 2 is same upon में 7 minus 3 is 4 is equal to 3. But we generally have to write in what form? Root 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. It is your answer. And solve the third question, third part. Move to third part of the question. Now here is RF. What is RF? 4 root 2, here is minus 2 root 3. This is RF. Then 1 upon में 4 root 2, question we have to write minus 2 root 3. We have to multiply 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon में 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Multiply and divide by the same number. And then numerator will be same. 1 multiplied to same. 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon में here is same. 4 root 2 minus 2 root 3 multiply 4 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Here is plus, sorry. And again we have to apply the identities. What should I do? 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3, same. And here is a minus b, a plus b. We have to apply identities. A minus b. A plus b means a square minus b square. A minus b. Here we apply a minus b, a square minus b square. What is a? 4 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square. Numerator will same. 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon में here is square of this one. Square of this one means we have to apply which one? Root a and a root b whole square means square of a and square of b. We have to apply this one. Now I am writing it here. Means a root b whole square means a square into root b whole square. Here is 4 square, 4 square, and here is root 2 square minus 2 square, and here is root 3 square. This will be same. 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and then 4 square is 16. Root 2 square into में 2 minus 2 square 4 root 3 square 3 is equal to, it will be same. 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon में 16 to 32 minus 12. Numerator is same. 32 minus 12. 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon में 20, and we have to separate it. 4 upon root 2 upon में 20 minus 2 root 3 upon में 20. Here is plus, sorry. And 4, this is into 4 1, and this will be 5, 2 1, this will be 10, and then answer is root 2 by 5 plus root 3 by 10. Or you can leave either in this form. It is your solution. And do all example. Be a good day. Thank you.